Welcome back to Daily Drives, the channel where we explore the wildest, craziest, and most futuristic machines shaping the future of transportation. If you love insane vehicles, experimental concepts, and unbelievable innovations, then you're in the right place. So, buckle up, because today we're diving into something truly unbelievable: the Kevin Cry Camper Tricycle 2026. A tiny home on three wheels that has shocked everyone with its creativity, engineering, and absolutely crazy design. Imagine a tricycle that doesn't just take you from one place to another, but actually becomes the place you live in. That's exactly what the Kevin Cry Camper Tricycle brings to the table in 2026. It's a mix of compact mobility and full-time living, designed for adventurers, off-grid travelers, and anyone who wants the freedom of home wherever they go. People are calling it the tiniest home of 2026. And honestly, when you see what they've built into this thing, you'll understand why. At first glance, the design looks like something out of a sci-fi movie: a three-wheeled electric trike stretched with a micro cabin attached at the back. But what makes it even crazier is how efficiently the interior space is used. Even though it's small, Kevin Cry's team managed to pack in a mini bed, a folding desk, a storage system, and even a tiny kitchenette setup. Every inch is used with purpose. You can ride it through city streets, park it anywhere, and then instantly convert it into a small living space. It's like your own personal mobile pod, but on a tricycle. One of the biggest features is its electric powertrain. The Kevin Cry Tricycle runs on an upgraded 2026 battery system, offering surprisingly high range for its size. Riders can expect between 120 to 180 kilometers on a single charge depending on terrain and load. Since it's lightweight and incredibly efficient, the battery lasts longer than you would expect. And because it's built for slow travel, long exploration, and off-grid living, Kevin Cry also added optional roof-mounted solar panels. These panels can recharge the battery while parked, which means unlimited outdoor living if you position it right. For people who love freedom and hate fuel costs, this is a dream come true. Another crazy thing about this 2026 version is how smooth the ride is. Tricycles usually struggle with stability, but Kevin Cry engineered a wider rear base, shock-absorbing suspension, and a frame that reduces vibration. That means you can ride across rough paths, forest tracks, and uneven roads without feeling like you're going to tip over. It's built for people who want adventure without sacrificing comfort. Now, let's talk about the tiny home interior, because this is what people can't stop talking about. The sleeping area is surprisingly comfortable for a vehicle this size. The bed folds into a seating area during the day so you can work, eat, or relax. At night, it becomes a cozy sleeping pod, perfect for one person or tightly for two. The storage system is smartly built into hidden compartments under the seat, along the walls, and even within the door frame. You can store clothes, food packs, small electronics, and other essentials easily. The kitchenette is another wild detail. It's not a full kitchen, of course, but it includes a compact cooking plate, a portable water tank, and a fold-down table that acts as food prep space. For camping lovers, this is more than enough to cook simple meals while enjoying nature. There's even a tiny ventilation fan, and optional climate control add-ons for hotter or colder regions. Kevin Cry clearly designed this for people who want to live small without feeling miserable. What makes this tricycle so special isn't just the features. It's the lifestyle it represents. 2026 has seen a massive rise in minimal living, eco-friendly travel, and microcampers. People want freedom without spending huge money on vans or RVs. This tricycle offers a budget-friendly alternative with a unique futuristic twist. You don't need a parking lot, you don't need huge fuel, and you don't need complicated licenses. Just charge, ride, park, and live. The Kevin Cry Camper Tricycle 2026 might be small, but it's built for big dreams. Travelers, digital nomads, solo explorers, and students are already showing interest in this concept because it changes the way we think about mobility. It's not just a ride, it's a lifestyle, a tiny home, and an adventure machine all in one. If you've ever imagined living on the road, escaping the noise, or exploring the world with just a few essentials, This tricycle proves that you don't need a big vehicle to make it happen. You just need smart design, creativity, and a willingness to think differently. And that wraps up today's video on the crazy Kevin Cry Camper Tricycle Tiny Home 2026. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more insane futuristic vehicles, make sure you subscribe to Daily Drives, hit that like button, and drop a comment telling us what machine you want to see next. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next ride only here on Daily Drives, where the future of transportation comes alive.